In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and send an invoice in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll feel confident building a clean, accurate invoice and getting it to your customer in just a few clicks. First, sign into your QuickBooks Online account. Make sure you're using a reliable browser and that you have a stable internet connection, since you'll be saving and, if you choose, emailing the invoice directly from QuickBooks. Once you're in, look for the plus icon labeled New, usually at the top left or top center of your dashboard, and select Invoice. This opens a fresh invoice form ready for your details. Start by choosing your customer. If they're already in your list, select them and QuickBooks will fill in their saved information. If they're new, you can add them on the spot. Take a moment to confirm the customer's email address and billing details, since that's what QuickBooks will use if you decide to send the invoice right away. You can also check the invoice date and due date so they match your terms and the timing you want. Next, add your line items. Select the product or service you're billing for, enter the quantity, and confirm the price or rate. QuickBooks will calculate the amount for each line and the subtotal automatically. If a brief description helps your customer understand the charge, include it beneath the item. Repeat this for each item you need to bill. If you charge tax or offer a discount, add that now. For sales tax, turn on tax for the applicable lines and pick the correct rate so your totals are compliant. For discounts, use the discount field to enter either a percentage or a specific amount depending on your policy. A quick double check here can prevent surprises later. Before you finalize anything, preview the invoice. Use the preview option to see exactly what your customer will receive. Scan the customer details, item descriptions, quantities, prices, discounts, taxes, and the final total. Make sure everything looks clear and professional. When you're satisfied, you have two choices. Click Save and Send. If you want to email the invoice immediately, you'll see an email preview where you can confirm the subject and message, then send it off. If you're not ready to send, choose Save and Close to store the invoice without emailing it. It will be ready for you when you decide to send it later. That's it. Log in, create the invoice, review it, and either send it now or save it for later. You're all set to invoice with confidence in QuickBooks Online.